African Art and Technology #1 star na kaba show mania ante tabaraka arziki dira kada chan fe yelanga headline stories kati yayin ko kana ti yala interview jabgu shelton yayin no right about now #1 on the stand headline story den kati yin tuli concerns of the Ahmadiyya Muslim mission and the entire Muslim community addressed by the Ghana Statistical Services. Yes, hiya. Anto ni yeto anguma da yina be yeto agola da yina hal asabre dalma tada nang ti yatar ganang de punia de ba bande Ghana Statistical Service nama ben yina ne betekal Ghana zaha inyete la sabla yeto agola da yina rapuni ka Ahmadiyya Muslim mission nama enta pa muslim zaha nang ban yindi kabra yan ni yeto ashal be puni kaban nang ban yasam dan da ban nang ban yasam ma da nyala bon walga muslim salbu ku kace Ahmadiyya nam salbu kula Ahmadiyya community ma da yina ti yanne la yeto alangoma de man la filang be tour nyala ka ba yon walga ba kace musulun ma te sahami ne bu nyala musulun ma da ban ba nyasam hal muslim entire community ma da ban musulun nyasam do be pergo be walga ba na kana ba sunsunu ma ka da yanne ba question ne ma pu ne kala la particular yeto angoma ka be yes Ghana Statistical Service nam yina enti yali yeto ala san jande de pulo ya kamal le sale donc ko en chakap ya ko san fe yala nga katza hasdan tabchan suhdu ne suh mahliya okay tan kana te le la yeto aloma kana ku story shelting the next madden yedene appeal from the full community pay 5 cedi Ghana to get home when it rains. Appeal from the full community kumbono ka fu ya alongoma ta ya alongoma wofo guma ya alongoma na makaba melela kungoma bang nzante nimvo songo nyeto ndana kamala adalci kazwar nawune kabu kuma nyala dene ne sangunde ne luna poi ka be tamal tampune kayen kul ayanga dinin ka be senate nyango fu tahabe ni polo ka ko bi cha yola 5 Ghana cedi apart from atu yolo ay janti shi senate last stop ma kana la marna kul bonma ntu yo 5 Ghana cedi ka bazanga moto mba ya ka kula yanga ka shani no biya kam samirme kar ko jena biya kam halala na chimsha banak bangbo man kana te dir 5 cedi kazan ba yar ngoma ko ma tin to kana kan de shira ka man man ko to zanni ba labi te di 5 Ghana kada dan dal tahanama fu no ma bara kuli be jampuru ne dama bambo futra babu yor tax babu yor fargu bampa Ghana nema okay tell le banya kana je story shelton borna te boy la story ngoma mama nyala one topic on its own den yedene preserving the culture tradition and historical side of Dagbang, voice of your unborn generation. Preserving the culture, the traditions and the historic sides of Dagbang. Lala yetu alongoma ami sahane to te makan yelve yelengabi ale Dagbang kalpuni te kalen te taada ne ale Dagbang tarihi puni yetu apambien kalala yetu ashanga dambien ma karanyala halkat zaman kat banam zaman kat yabnam zaman karanang ti yansi mi yansi ti yanam zaman karanang kalala yetu angoma nan maya kada fura hal de boba de lakane the bishop ben ngoma ti tu ba hula kaba yen yele adabu dal yetwa hula kaba yen yele na tua hula kaba yen yel ben yakasa hula kati yen nan nto polpolle mbokubu mbotabu nzante lela kalben yara ngoma lela history ngoma karzaya hati kubu borne te sang le arziki mbortertemanga karne tole nyala di zan me kat bebe te bayan siti yinasna nt banka mania banda yerba arbu dali to ama tikara danan la jifshal din danan bono dana bono anfo nam zamanan bono den to male en documentele kabo historians kaba narrate history ma bishop na bien mal bang sama bo min nye via te min bazan hanye via pa al kaw les entités okay de baye to abian katien yelle ya mampo yela yemina sen full spices les tomato mix Mr Red Motors ente pa Institute of African Art and Technology banamo be arsikiti ma pour ka programme ma ka da kan ma ya en de la talan kan labna jo ne labna ko Pola headline stories ma par poi kanan de talan chakante ga na zungo program ma apart from 2-3 headline stories ngati yen nang maya tamala interview ka da kanna the Wheezy yes the legend boy is in the building mama kaloi onyala won drop EP ya ka bol EP ma tamali we day o drop la first track on the album which is Ndali la particular video ngoma the malpuka tan mina saha tenang soksum pam ka wishal ko yen tena kataminu po hayu tabaya katinyanya la EP album ma la ntali nyeden ngoma ni yilishel kamza hadan pahada puni hey diniya min de amfani nyala den santaya for that matter we shall ni kanaya on the second segment of the show which is the interview segment ma katinyanya la yeto ashel den biri puni de chankantanga endela talan kalabna ya hafizuna kubiane
Enang namaraba Zankana Institute of African Art and Technology IAT.
You are adding another what? Half an inch there. But we'll be joining it to the what? To the flare or the girders down.
Ayat nyala shukuri shale anuto kanati boham fashion design, graphic design, entrepreneurship. Fashion design wama ka dagbambi boli tailor shabo. Shabo wama nyala anuto zan chira yobo mboham shale. Chira yob sunsunu wama de nyala din yamboha slimisi boli ben shakna pattern drafting. Din nyanga karana ngwa freehand cutting. Ai be mianto ni chira yobo wama pala din to nang tabata ka zambohan shabo. Shukuru bihma shab yelia. Da mama nara kananta hadi tabla da kane. Chira yusunsunu ka babana kama bum boham bohan de shelma. Chira yo mata pare banyala ban to bam dabdalia na pabdalia shabo yunjinga shablam diana karnyala amfu malbang sam de la zang fa shapulu kabwa na raba hajwelsa danyala akala SHS certificate kabwa na chanla university anto kana shukurungo karwa kata shahara bang shel de to zanga jahe university pune Ayat shukurungo nyala dum fu mal majina kay ku lehre ti video ma anya kam majina nim ku ji classrooms ma pune de pala yan kam na ka ji tela na ayi an ku canadien pila tela ta ka shi halle in to kule ama adna pala yan ji shel kule tela ngoma nyanga den ta ma sandama pinky shears tracing wheel tape measure sim ripper la ban chacha ngoma nyala bin yan ta ban shaka zan bu han shamma haltin nari ay to kuna de nyala dane.
I'm Betty and a student of IAT, one of the most
Só pensei o bicho em conhecida. Só pensei o bicho em conhecida. Só pensei o dolofinho nessa. Só pensei o agu com conhecida. Só pensei o clube de filia. Só pensei o mandi de filia. O costume sindi de filia.
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomu.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Epsonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Ilusa. He is a very trustable agent of Epsonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if your people want to buy motor, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava Dantoni, Kajeviela Konsashi, Nigera Shelwanyela Yung Saborle, Ate Ima Karapara, Yingba Makaragarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalabra Tishana Tirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Boyena, Yunwatum Shapta Motonema, Tangamoto Mangakache twice, Domipa Wabblanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Guzul Bambara, Absonic Kamal Tool Showroom Tamalza, Bumper Palazuan Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise. Can we come in to Absonic Moton and Polonguna, Ben Lava Jimjimani, Motom Manga, Arahab Pierre, Guzul Dinanya Absonic Motonum, Absonic Dangma Motonum Soya Pam, Amani Yala Biala, Dinanya Absonic V5, Star, Beyond C5, then Michel Welgerala, Campernum Mobarla Pam, Habi Dungeon de Sogba, Beshebu Tommy, Absonic Moto Kianum Jani, Aloba Denyo Kwambienla, Nerabelbo Pam, Nirida Absonic Moto Tesani, Chirata Susuna Katian Savisar Letra Welle, Dominic Patom Manga Biani, Cariza and ti twale kwa tole kam ka zonzon gelen yele tira ta susuna ka moto ngoy mel mosugo anto labsna katata Mr Red be na kwa je enterprise sanan tuna chang ante wil piga absolik moto kama mbora ka banon tu kama tamata to me absolik tuma do so karlama ba satira Mr Red be na kwa je enterprise ne kwara absolik moto ngo internir kam dag ban waza Mr Red be na kwa je san ma ka icha ala nye beneli motos de ba kul pay be showroom ma cham te wil par gam blamal RFT 150 mapuka NNT 150 NNT 150 sports garviel fini to den ka jia bara Luciano Babiane ba sa kam boarle TRK 251 dama moto balbo kam bale absolik moto ngo ne benali moto ngo za Mr Red shop mani Mr Red shop ma biela waterworks ayi chapolo sergerna ya gana water original laboratory ma ka tour moto kwa soma to Mr Red shi to amambala ami yi tampuni be waterworks sergerna Mr Red shi to ama min feel free ba ma kpala taba wa ma Mr Red shi to ama yala wannan banam yala 0243 137223 ne 020 6136 730
Gadam, am ya shishe din ci ababa borin bindirma.
Ayo.
To zuma yin ya la shishe din jan. Ababa borin to ba fam. Ne to ka baba di. Oyen yellow na pam ba hale. Ka ta malo yin blue.
Papi. Yeah. Na gwaro. Na gafara.
Ayo be wala. Anye bu fachan manu bile. Nkwe si tujara to no bindir wakati ka tri Panama to zo anyo akuti imagine ma she yo an tujara to chilzo
Yes, Lizzy tomato mix.
Yama, gadam na lwa amle yama.
Mami ndashima. Yalla Lizzy tomato mix.
Lizzy tomato mix moya de mes ape za saksima ne zakara. Lizzy tomato mix sokam ne bashare.
ya saya badar masane de ya tabarakallah memeya sa haka ne tuku yanzu ne matoya consensus of the Ahmadiyya Muslim mission and the entire Muslim community addressed by the GSS and yes on a very quick one check atuku ko lesan chan ya command the from the intuma asabri dalma yes apart from asabri dalma on my show ma inta awum la yitu anguma pam dinnan ka alkawle bagi nidin yina to bolla sabo inta ta gana san hatta kalle ne yisisham kalala gana statistical service nungoma ban be fukum se punu kalala tumongoma kariyentum inta hayitu ala yinar puni karman la bamalla kostani bugbana ma puni walgam sun biyan maka ce musulun ma na Ahmadiyya nama ka Ahmadiyya community ma ka bada yina ta yanilla walgam sun ma da ban ban yasin because bin yala musulun ma apart from binna sati yashal ni jama ma din yaba yala bin yala musulun ma har musulun za hannan ban yin da sati na Ahmadis musulun mun yaba so di tenin karayen walgaba de mallala walgaba sumuma apart from the filla be de pula Ahmadis mama mama jilma ne darsa ban zanti be bin yaban shamwa de chama kata musulun ma kata kalan le kati be bang de dede nirbu pamda yel yeto asan jandare polo ko kallon gumni jabba ko kumsi din chan lalama ka Ghana Statistical Service nama ka babayina inter responded to lala yitu alongoma because dinin kala ang bubla ang ba kar bi zaman pune kar bi biya go pune de chama ka chande ma kar chande suhdu salaman katizan hazan tabage da pabu shi na alkauliya inta halala respond goma to Ibrahim na tatam sandani nan lala yitu ashal din da yina kabanan Ahmadis be kabanan musulun goma nyasam ma going forward bin chang tu ne kabayan lala irregularity ma lala dam beri pu ne kan nirba yanda ba jelengo ma bang pang bang en yehle so di pannan kalala kalbu ma kabati nan bi kana yinga walgam sun be biyan ka bu ha musulmi nya bi Ahmadis nya bi buha adine den ka bi anyala Christian ka ba sabe Christian nya anyala musulmi ka ba sabe be lan walgam musulmi nya bi Ahmadis nya ne lala malba ma ba malizale so musulun kamza hangum biane da samsana di tabla kabban nan la kandungo ma na takana walgam sam bi biane ki takkan nan yale ni walga tabjia manyala tijaniya manyala sunna manyala ahmadis manyala hey no katana nanyi takata na jango itakana nyala ya musulnum zaha gana inamba nyala wula bayar ni nyala percentage shelma danin shirnyenya bayar ni ni minority religion in Ghana ma la shirnyenya inamba shel bayar ni nyala 1000 alabiya ala million ma la shirnyenya danin na enye i musulnum zaha gugalaga ite pagi babishi ki walga tapika la response ma de kanafin yalanga ya, and it's very simple. So the way yelling to apam, yes, Ghana Statistical Service addresses the concern of Ahmadiyya mission in the PhD questionnaire by Abdullah Majid on the June 11 from Balamakura Unity Yeldema. Ghana Chakankunya Neto Bielfu. The Ghana Statistical Services has stated in it that it would block and deactivate the option Ahmadi from the list of religious questionnaire. Religious organizations on the census questionnaire. Okay, that's a very good one. This, according to GS, is in response to a statement by the Ahmadiyya Muslim Mission in Ghana. It therefore says there would be no categorization of Islam and that all Muslims would have only one option as Islam. Okay, la particular release ma balama ya kabazan le nzanti netiza hachakara nan amfani so de punnon la street ma be la karante boha musulmi nya bi Ahmadiyya nya bi ku kana musulmi nya bi Christian nya be he dolo yisaniri nyabi nya ka badihno ya ka chan te pa ya pamela le to almo an chan shama because religion is something that emotions are attached to. So dit nan ka feeling be ka di walga kanara puna ay chama kan ni salnama basunu gara puna ay chama ka basuri yisra so to ko para so kama za hasulu ntahalela yel gola ngoma adam malizale ka ti interest to as a nation, as a united nation. All right, we will definitely find time and talk about that $521 million project which is the national population and housing census ngoma di yeto ayeto agola be repune pa la shele ben yentin nan de puni the privacy the contract bon por shaba ya no wo gonum ka ko because bo borman na nan wula hey di yeto abian ka shaba yel na akuto zan ayeto ayele ba because no borman na bangun le ngun kan ngun akuto zan wo da shele wo ba confidential tumambunuma na amal sujina ye yel ben shakama za ha it is going to be confidential. I mean ba al kawle sunsu no bala ma yeto abere puni hey hal education minister ayina ti ya na bon por shaba na tum de tuma na bro particha na pa de puni yel gola ma ya ayere puni bo di pasha na ono santin ye va paga sabre dale en la shele ben yen tin de puni ma is it worth it? $521 million ka be yen tin la project mo ma puni ben yen kaltama. Does it worth it? The Sayana Ganati Dila Lagre and Kalpant la Sabo. I Bohafizu. Ula Kayan Lapsa. Tin Chelesel now on something if you paga sabre dele. Tin kana on the headline stories ma. I think we will do justice to that. Okay, Kati Chelesel, can your story shell them pay Kati and Poi? Then appeal from the full community. Appeal from the residents of the full Taha area. That you pay 5 Ghana cedi to get home when it rains. Mimi. La ye to alungo maya. Tuko yelle manita basira ne. Nda pun yelle pi. Kamandung malla kamane ya. Tu shanga biela yon be Ghana. Karang malla kaman lele tumanum ngoma. Bang pale dalir shal zo. De lakane. Kalele tumanu muma na pian kanirwe tum de repune ka deri yuare. Kaman town and country planning. Town and country planning. Bum bor na tang banse ya sham, bum mandele zane sham. Te bor bridge pi, te bor palle pi, te bor pi, te bor pi. Shukur no tuzan pi, duko tuzan pi. Karatuma duzo piane. Ka fo ya alongoma, ka taha ya alongoma, ka bo maliyal mosle zan jende bridge. Ka bridge ngoma malebu yuma ka je ka nyarla la kongoma ka bridge ngoma malebu ti male karnyala ibor mi ni nyabo nyintam ka bo puka pai ingba al kauli inye bari wahala ka kana ni tamal bridge ngoma ka bridge malebu ngoma ya ki binye sahashale den simsu ven yana ga a suitable time to do this particular construction ma karnyala shane kar kana na tamal bridge ngoma shane kara kana mal bridge ngwa benda dwel shel gatla kara na gurum den za hamal song den na malendela den abanai imbi yi social taba bayen gatta kun kayira Are you really planning very well? Iya mala bridge taba. Benda dol bridge shell na kula ki na wurum danguna. Imma da shelter bala dana ban nai. Kara ala badal hayina tampuna tanang dapilam. Ay mal bukata ni mana ara lahchang. Hal tan mamang banku biyan wana. Banku betamal tampune. Iyong za hasara min ibola na min ibumbono abak para mo bahar tahanya sama. Wala ki buwan na lura ng gar enchang takpala bahay. Karata pagi sanim mi ay be yalama kabar mutu ay pana kulbong magon shazan kayu 5 Ghana cedi kabak pa mutu ma na chimbiyan kabak pa mutu ma zang bayay ka guhamang sang kwachi ka para ka patongo na zabana ma a chinchina ta perna mo ba chinchina mo ba vira ko kale ka na chimbama dando so damal ya pa ka ba ko ka shab dar bana pulu in zango halata gare ko mutu na ngar ko gar kulu yanga Gana ni rambala be mun suhu yamana tishin Gana o yoro fargo o be pe foli vote o nuda ka ipi bo puni talibu abatum fo ya'lam abatalin yadane and you are subjected them to this wickedness hala be ya'lam ka sa kuna so sandame ban sha'adin da yanyetun suhur bor shelma ditien nan sakwam ban su za sandame balle id nan abin nan sa ka bitan puni ko sama wunde ni mi to an jela tan puni adina pallala alternative social din biyan yala she adwal islamic secondary pulu nan ton pallama in chanti yi palle shelban mala be ka page inti yi wofo guma nan labna hal ne taha kadam fialen bala dishir kunnan ka minister so yin bini mane minister ka yin bini kan yala yan kule la ka yin dwal kul be minister yin mal fi it mari pashel den to buchan ka yin kana karje ne minister be yi hazal ni mane katabadu be apana be tabadu den nan anyasam tisat ni minister son origine be halka minister mama be minister dapala be o girlfriend oro ku jini dana tuna te di shahra kabazang 2 days ndapalle kapal ku tale dabayi just because a politician is deemed to pass there amati zahara anye benwo den da nan to first sif match den da celebrate yon la. What did it happen? But I dara pala ka par pala ka painter pala ka bob pala chinchina in just 2 days just to make the place suitable for the president visit. They did it. Kan lagra kata kanata nangle halla la particular bridge for bridge ben dalo mama then I to create an alternative bridge. I remember come on gumana to phone but I melted ba phone bridge. They came kapo kurugun welde le kama bridge la nzang le pa yashele dem forma kabasang le pa kam moto no be turu kono makabne to jule kale chaka loro no bam de motor de nguna so hal iru ku po social de to no kam moto be ban chantanga kabannan to jolju kar create le karam beni mane ban chantang be moto no masana ku mikawula kabanna kanantana ye basbshi mbasar gata poi ka bridge palungo mana amanda tizahab nya karana su ne to ku chabazal kasami kap ku kana to ku moze en lehre no ko vugar ku gare apaya our leaders to tundanama hal yitu anu mo dan simsin te dadi ne pambma wo tanana mo ma ka yara yes kap ku yelba you are called the regional minister MP of the area hal into sub petitions on the parliament inye fitina shell pune te nirbane bi and something should be done about that den nan bo ma kala pi she sami mu ka chan la fon ari maluru nguna sha pakle la senate mun ban bora na san la jukul guma hal ban chan tan kana wa to julu bi na luri last year ma te san hada anye ban yak sha den danan ni mani. Let us not wait. We just pray. Comme Jésus chang ni mani. Ki kananite te stories. Comme Jésus chang ni karpa kanal te stories. Bridge ganga ki ni mbana bridge ganga. Ki san overhead nam nan tan nang baram tan punu saha. Benda ya ne misplaced priority mbala ma ira tahar ma kapata. Quand tu convaincs que tu as ça, tu as pas ça normal interchange. Quand tu coupe ta mal temps pour ne snit, in chen fu, how many minutes walk in ka bridge? Quand tu mal bridge ba karje ne pas janye ya. Quand tu to sang China na ka tan no overhead na man the town just for a political reason. Common bridge, a community bridge. Hal iri razan la construction ngoma sino hydro ngoma ndele mal bridge shanga dem bien northern region za hadra so izan la tan ngbarantan puni nchoka te zelma. Anyway, phone maya, nete bale ya kay ni zo me na ni fam ya baba ya ne ban nintam ngoma ne ba kabal le yan ko le non su da ba ko to yer 5 Ghana cedi bia kam sa ne timi ko shani ne mbono ma bia kam sa mir me sa mi no kumi ko mi ndimi ni zo me na won ka ban e yen no sham ka to par be yanga la la kun ka ba yan ne tin benten ya appeal from the full community pay 5 Ghana cedi to get home when it rains every day ne la nyele ya al jumma dal session wonda ko mi ngola anda bala hey sa no kula mi la nyele ya to suhuru me ni zomba nan boa. Okay, let us story share them pay ngoma una en chele son which is preserving the culture, tradition, and historic size of Dagbon, voice of your unborn generation. Okay, lela story ngoma mampu yala ye sohala atanma kan gum the radio North Star Gaddafi no the program kan lela ye to alongoma kadina which is the kalnet taada dem bi Dagbon tenanama Yushel Ben Zale kaman adabu della natua nangun zamani ka adini kana denma ka historic site nem biene kallela yela ngoma ka to ku chele sel kara bar yuale katin ta bambien bam pol labadene incha ka sam kana tin yarle karanya arsike sang taba quite apart from that be behni yisarnama be mallan nim bangsana ban shaban yanda be yanam da nan ya mara zo ka suraya ne jirka be yanti yanam ma da ngma ko be yanus ngoira ba wa gudu tuma ka chan tuma kaman do kuto nyela labane because babu guli babu talizale kar sai ya shir mane la shif shaldan da nan ma kin to arbi shama wula kiti yelba ni ya nam da nan wakannan ka ba tabla na achika kaman lalan shirbala hati kulbe san la bu arziki diye to ambala bati en chele mesale mampu yala yesa hama be satuma because min we shall number la interview ne tanan ya so yen chele la particular story ngoma ka data lan kalabna ne labna min we shall po hanko yu taba straight ka to ko en le chanya ba chakantega ka bang na medicine food spices lezi tomato mix and pa Mr. Red Motors la la nyala ka Institute of African Art and Technology ka ba mal nu tambo program ma quick one chakana ko la Institute of African Art and Technology ngoma ya na won ga fara NGO la sabo nyala ka ba kaptana tutu wona ya betela shapu ne dinin ka bwande tela shabo ima apun bwande mo be anaba bwanda ne beta la chira yobu ka chaka amin ba po hayu taba na wun gafara ka liya bang sam den ne to te shila den ne to kule nkushi tela ngoma fe yananga amma man ne maka borna shara be abor na shar kar nyala dabjilim de san hama antu kana ni mania course shanga be wu shanga bon wo ni mania nyala dene fashion design be nyala ban dele graphic design be nyala dem bian kana che entrepreneurship yes ye jisu na yili ya ngoma ka be ya chira yobu ka bang tila be adila shapulu mpumbu hantila ma fi yananga bad bin tara shahra ban shelma abor na nyi shahra ban pahde zo ka NGO numa gwamnati tumtunu ka bunu to pa ka ta contract ka shar shukuru be uniform numa ka shar ngo ka shar police be so janam nema antu kana Institute of African Art and Technology ka min ba pahatu yutaba ka ba ta form ka pa anan la shukuru ma ya be tila shop nam dam jane into kana ni mana ki min ba pahatu yutaba bishop in wumsarma ki zambana ni ka ta master training ka ta certification ga dam maljilma ya number then yes 245 461 517 okay but number maya antu bolle ka aminu ba po hayu to mambo yala yijiso na yili yalo ngoma ka be biela balden shelton bol jiso plaza la ay ku ter jiso na yile anu za so jiram misa sheldon kuzaya pu kana pa jiso na yile burumana ma ni mana ka Institute of African Art and Technology ka be ya chaka aminu ba po hayu taba ka nan amfani zan chan tila bo hambo be tila shapulu okay tekan ko nje headline stories ma sale ka te ga ka bana kama yende la tanan labna men wushal po haye yula taba tamali wide ntale ka te drop la video ngoma de chankantanga mena sin full spices lezi tomato mix Mr. Red Motors and tapa Institute of African Art and Technology wushal is next.
Audio Jungle.
kai. All right. Neya saya Waria la lavna kakubana neya saya Kabada sana dede Tabarakallah Kama nupung baga le kaulema tulema Mayala yesungo programa una #1 stunner. We are in with the superstar, the mama last born, Mama Kalon Yakov Kenamaya, the guy with the anthem for now. One that drop a little wedding anthem maka yila ma puti nirukupi yila ma yuna ni changing January. Amala ka wizi bika te perform kum na zo amala the car reception the car party zo ya ma ni yila ma na bi kuna amala karatan na ga kama ka kulsu pa na yung na do wa ni show yila no pa. All right, come on the punyalama. Yes, the young guy is dropping an EP, and of course, EP man, you to abere punapa, you to abere punapa. The reason for that particular EP man, apart from that, ozangla artist shaba nang de pune, banum mbere punma, talet den ko sang banang, kanach engineer shaban we ko nda album ma, ntepa yila mama, de bala nyele kalen le pune, bondel ka yila ma yen yina boisma yaya around that particular EP album ma, the malpukata na minaza ha, katiti amfana from the superstar, our favorite musician in Balama, netinya Wula Kala EP Wama Karamal Anfana Zantitia, and for that matter, I have the superstar in the building. Wheezy. Wisha Nakunang Bazuba Bielfu, come on, some 2 lines in Belama.
Kadanya aserapi
enye salma kaya
dumbela na kasabda
wayo
mininya wo shempa sarga baby na tinna amliya anafsunna
na won falira
aita popule man
yandora
ni shega babima wala mayurlam achuba so justice agabna gabga
wayo
toka bala pamal gabba
jakam borma surame gata bakai
yurlam bachale naba
wayo
me chanjala
de bagba
Allah
akbaru kumalma ayurlum kumalma ay togo be baba ya yara. All right, that's a perfect way to introduce a superstar. Chakana call from another one. Okay, Chakana chila den ma den selma. Te chala den wa sale. Pick up the program ko sound den chopsi ya. Bia mini ya so you kuza mo solo. Wizi. In recent times, the last show shall I perform Weekend my brother and I be UDS bo.
Yeah, in that be UDS.
Okay.
That be UDS program shall na kan check bla no program shall.
No bramela dinner night.
Yes.
Which of them can be my then because Sheldon Ulazo. Sheldon on the Red Dutch. Ka Sheldon on the main campus. Ara perform la reza. Wow, superstar. I mean come on shama lab of yellow. Shabra do you come on call one but when you perform it. I collect artist man.
And so yeah, we'll get to that. Then I got to stay here EP man.
Okay,
so then can we start cash for artists so going to
Okay. Anyway. I mean, this time around, let's talk about you and your management team. I mean, team ma, is it you are signed to a record label now, or just in that kunang build up team, my friends and brothers around who are supporting my land? Okay. La. I am in on the bunkara.
Yeah, Malanya, my friends and brothers go up on the bunkara. Bananyela.
Okay.
You know, opportunities can yama, so
very well.
Utilize it.
Sure.
So I really appreciate support.
Okay, that's very great because sometimes the government no do now, but because if you are looking at the industry now, there's a lot of them, and if you don't have someone supporting you financially, the man let it come. And we shall mean know the it seems to look like every track shall drop it comes with a video, and no video comes out, the standard in it is there. So sometimes I wonder how he's been able to finance himself. But if when you're in the friends and I mean family are supporting man, just people that are trusting in him, the Wizzy, let's go into a last album shall I release in Yala and I release album. Ada album how many years in Bono?
2018
2018. 3 years, 4 years in Kuchenma. Wow, that's very great. Okay, and but I release the album because Halama Mangba, I thought you were talking about an album.
Yes.
All of a sudden, Katinya Karanya EP.
Yes.
Album man, young ma, baby, and album man, now plan on release the shama.
No, album yeah.
Oh, okay. Abba.
No follow up. Seriously, I'm not driving back.
Labo.
So the chunka nzwarle.
Okay.
To test myself.
Okay.
Maybe can down you pay with certain man. Not the year album.
Okay.
Going through to 8.
Okay.
Then you have the plans that then I go pause the album.
Okay. So what about because album the pune tracks ka you drop on the EP me be single shangan dropper la.
No. EP man I think zone category premier
yes, first track on the EP.
Yes,
okay.
Yes. Track 3 in Bema.
Okay.
Album man don't never reveal the usually.
Okay.
But I'm going to drop 3 songs from
the album.
I think Kum.
Okay.
Bia and Live.
Okay.
The Belang album for now I've paused it and I'm about to drop the EP.
Oh, okay. So album mat tracks ma biela
Yeah, don't phone no ready, but I think the third album but for no ready, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey. Swarmale ya shilu, yarba ba tigra. Hey, anyway, there is something in Tega Kabana Kaman. We are talking about an EP, and that particular EP, 6 songs on Biri Puniko. Yeah. You like the Bayo on Biri Pune. Okay, and that particular 6 songs, one song was dropped over the weekend in Balama, midweek in Dabalama.
Yeah, I think the 3 days ago.
The 3 days in Bonoma. Okay, 3 days ago, one song that dropped me, go well, a particular one man, Unkale. Yes, then I drop with great visuals. Hal in number lay to a Chandela particular video where it was shot, who shot it and who directed it, because you to a very pune, standard very pune, classical very pune, then ladies and higher. Let's come into the album. Yes. First and foremost, an EP, I mean, catch very large album annually, a very short one.
Yes, yes.
The title, the title manual. Tamale we did. Like Tamale. Then we did. The title of Kobala. Tamale we did. Okay, and you have 6 songs.
Yes, 6 songs.
6 songs. Yeah. Let's look at the first engineers that you chose to work on the album.
I think Kush.
Okay, Kush.
Kush. Okube young, but when I mean Mona maybe so yila me yila. Beat me yila Lil Dan.
Okay.
From America.
Yeah.
So Lil Kush Biani.
Okay.
Ojo Drums Biani.
Okay.
PJ Biani.
Okay.
Blue Beat.
Okay. Wow. 4 chains on one EP album. Yeah. Okay. And engineers because we have 1 million engineers in Ghana, which aren't working with any engineer in Ghana. But you decided to go for this 4. Was there any special reasons?
I cannot tell you, and I want to work with most engineers.
Okay, very well.
Shop that to my time, because shop me but to my time, and you know sometimes that zeal in yellow. Yeah, sure. People come up with him beautiful, I better in this mood.
Okay.
I could do forces on no, understand.
No, so work that.
Shop that not ready. Shop that not ready. Never working with me, because shop me none slow biala. But got me later time.
Okay.
Okay. Chat go choose one man.
Okay.
Do shop biala one that never approach one.
Okay.
Because many engineers who have problem. That's how I'm working with them.
Okay. Yes. And if you are assessing la engineers about performance in each song that and sign it to. Yeah. Did you get the best of a master?
Yeah. They all that's what I was joking. That's what I was on the left.
Okay.
But I put them serious. And then I got to labor. Most of them, they are all quiet. They want me to drop their tracks before they start making noise. Yeah. So, but I could observe them and okay. So they wanted to drop maybe 2 tracks with visuals. And drop it the whole EP.
It seems to look like EP Mama. It is not only you as an artist who perform on that song, ma. Engineer Shaban Beripuni, Bam feature Puni, videos directors of Beripuni. So come on, have one no Yulina on Tumtuman album, Marshall. So it looks like yes, the title is Tamale We Did. So come claim a rayon. So Tinya Yila man the drop rather to assessing Yanya, featuring Dinyala featuring Biela Puni, then assessing Engineer Shaban Beripuni, video directors Ma Bam Beripuni who assessed it and see who did Tamale We Did justice. All right, tell me Yanya Wizzy. Shabby come on, as at now, you are one of the most trending artists we have here. Yeah. Apart from you releasing a banger, which was Kum, you followed up with Bia, you followed up with Live. This Zaha, the Nanyala bangers that is hitting everywhere. Kalan Labna no collaboration and featuring them. I mean, Makasio drop Guluma, then Kalavna come in Tibet drop Gul. I mean, this Zaha in the radio. I mean, so many people, and Kalan Yernane EP.
Yes.
it seems I the malara na kuchi a EP ma son kana ku do bare enjoy la airtime in performances.
Big shout to the Snare Boss, big shout to Weezy Wee, Tiny Bird, Rasti, no for the past 2 weeks in bed, and you don't could release here, no could be okay. Past 7, don't put you know.
Oh, la shanga ben bakatana. Dina durumana duya na.
And more like artists and so come that's no field.
Okay.
Then but upon make let the mind come and let's say didn't release the EP. Understand? So to go to here and come and let's say Tishimukule, let's say for example, Makasi no drop of Bulma before ka irin ka tana pa kana yeah gulma ka tem performer ganda all over you know talk to for now that's your permission come out Charlie
okay you can perform
my track
okay
understand so through the maybe they try to approach ko yalten nan lab na so the system to why hit mama dan
okay
I want to go ahead but perform let them perform to mama dan
okay
so therapy be honestly therapy to be usually featuring trend. We are not following trend. We are just doing music.
Okay.
So,
oh, akor parbo wona arko amamandene. So it is simple that okay, I'm feature shama. But artists might decide how to drop when to drop their songs.
Yeah, you won't even know. Sometimes you won't even know. I mean,
you could decide who going drop it. Okay. But that will not stop you from also dropping your album down from planning.
Because I have my own fans to start.
Yeah, sure. Very well.
So,
but can't believe in the thing to distract the fans, man. We did not concentrate on Gulma, ka jump on goal, ka ye ipina.
The funniest thing is say the fans ma perform,
okay.
I'm telling you, they like new things. They want to see us. They want to see us new. Kim Makanada could drop it.
Yeah.
Karakuchan ma. That's the next day. I'm gonna drop a track. Don't mention how good I could enjoy it.
Yeah, sure.
Because seriously, we stopped them for long.
Very. Man, COVID man that kanama the demoralizing little pam. We've been done for long.
So now that you do it. Now that you do it, I came back and drop it. A week after I drop it. Because I have selected dates and you know distribution. I could distribute but entire dates,
yeah.
So Anton Karina.
Okay. Yes. Okay, all right. Before Katakana first structure na drop, which is entirely mbala issue shell chakana kupire pune biala katana labanati yalla yitu alamaya. On a very quick one, around media engagement. Couple media na nabati wum album yelanga because these are people that mostly criticize the song before it get to a fans ma. Some of them don't have that listening EMRD and yellow yoku wum yilango, and some of them excuse me to say, most of the presenters ma besha biane yila ma on to be steadily kabukuto yila first time play when no yila ma na nyasa over time over lumle it was important that you call them can me yila na ma wo ha if be mal criticism shall never nang be mal fibo be mal galma be mal shall never tro ha kama tidre samson rango karana it was beautiful and shab na ra invite shaba na karma bezan jesu na kan mera batel na da ha ko karande le chapulo kan na ya ko la kan da invite shaba
you know more times like even but under kind of in for other
it was.
So like the pelakama let's say in France can I invite
oh okay.
France ma ban su yila ma garbanda kan
yeah sure
because the France man download the
yes
sure. Download ban enjoy it you know ka present shaban da bin ma ka wanta ka yila ma
okay
yeah. So I called them for them to listen to it, correct my mistakes.
Very well.
I'm promoting EP ma.
Sure, which is important, very important.
So
promotional packages.
We invited people to, but try invite 30.
Okay.
We selected 30 people.
Okay.
30 stand-up people. But 30 stand-up people ma shabara kanna. Kashaba boom.
Okay. Yeah. Not at all.
So then we chose the best, perfect. And we counted the people, you understand?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I mean, so
come down, Sami. When come down, I can't even have that kind of work to China inside. Karakusan, Jiffy, and I wasted 2 minutes, man. I ain't gonna drink.
Yeah, sure.
You understand?
I mean, you guys.
Terabe in Chile. Terabe make a show. Drinks one because never got 50s in.
Okay.
And
yeah.
So come to that
yeah. I mean, it was there. So never pam da bin come ni forte.
Paul and yellow can young police come down. Never police come down. Some of them
okay.
So I think Shapo gets a little wrong and they are taking it. You know, but track could drop my so.
Ntalema ko ba. De vieux bi to challenge tum tale ya. Den challenge tale for no tum tale. O tale ba ni chat pongo ya. Dinan kara when you invite kana. Dimenya la cook shelter da sipli ma and na yelo ko gwada shelter la yonta ta ka yitu ama tu agba bo internet ka za wale ne bru nda na la parzo mit pa bo
akoko na to pro
no ma ko ka di cha yele pi mit pa nda pa de pa envelope ya da pa la rozo fanta kara indi bi ka di ko ka sa mit pa pa to ri mit pa ma nguna hal bar ko jiga na zo ne dalta agba bole ma. That was just by the way. And so many people came to you. You can't mention names. I mean, we had legends that came to support. And when they came, they really gave out their best. Sadiq Saiba, Orangela Ngumbinimani, DJ Carlos Daniel Ngumbiani, DJ Mice Daniel Ngumbiani, DJ Zula, Malema, Muna Daniel Ngumbishima, Karachanvi Yalanga, Big Malay. I mean, there were so many people. Abada, Vita Flesh, Kananche Bangba Kube Industry Mapuni, Taban Dharma, Tabarabiniman, and many more. Oh, so many people. So many people. And I'm sure you would say hi to them. T in that program. I think jump them into the song. The song is Ntale.
Yeah.
That particular song, why that particular title, Ntale ma?
You know, this way pump come on to put your dear to
yeah, sure.
This way pump can you so to come on to be TV zone.
Yeah.
So when you're at TV man, so come and perception. I can't lie in your mind who.
Oh, Kabila.
You understand?
Man, I'm doing a Kabashan, never carried an ally.
To me, violent people, we are always promoting love.
Yeah.
And peace. So, this nanka awum the light and trust me, when comes as a beer problem,
yeah.
It suppose you do the Simpson Tama. Once you have problem, last support my boys and happy.
Wow.
Then the Simpson don't support one job problem. Last support my boys and Jav, you won't take on couple.
I
understand it. So, can go there, check out because shop down there so emotional. Come on, like this. So, the cat here, Mr. Trend yet.
Okay.
No, too emotional to the extent that one college on from straight. Like Mr. Trend, she oh, la potion.
Okay.
Yeah. So, through the man, you know, promote the love, be peace. You know, whom I love because.
Well, you
explain
no, you cannot explain yourself to everybody. Yes,
you understand?
Sure.
So the only thing you have to say is Atumtale. And when comes as Atumtale, when comes as Atumtale,
wow, wow. Okay, all right. That's just it. That's just the best way to introduce Song Shelter and drop it down. It is from an EP album. Katiya dalibana kasoro kakartiyanima nintale nyedene na won gafara bogun tom nyali limaniya kala lamna tata ansaya nidinin ko tumtale shel kamza ha imma umrana ti yala no otum sandani hey obumrana ti yala no otum sandani ne adita asunu pa kamuno tumtale to na chero de talmaya. All right, yetu abiala puna kada shima pa nimana okay, we see chankana. Let's go into the song. Before we talk about the video, we talk about the location, we talk about the director. Teacher man, let's go free flow. To kon le biala biala.
Yetu akambini yala ka yuli yetu ama kadang manma.
Wayo.
Mambachira nwale yala mangle langba satin la.
Aya.
Sozo kaso bangso, masozo lano kaso gangso.
Wayo.
Patunzunu yale debi.
Ye.
Ay mohana jarla pam.
To.
Ay sabgana busuru pam.
Gumala poka wo.
Dada kamba papia. Sandani de tumsipam. Sandana pela chance. Mawune yekaba bale onela wahayan shamchang. Intale.
Wayo.
Intale. Aya. Mendembe intale. Zirbe yamale intale. Nefonangsa intale.
Kaya.
Nakana intale. Nitumatale intale.
Wizi.
Intale.
Amwa biyani.
Na jarla pam.
Amila sauke.
Allah sauke na busuru pam.
Wayo. Yo nyasu. Aktu malama.
No.
Aktu shaku amila tachara itu ala nyere. Oh no. Yes. Ayele yetu ashe. Let me pick the lyrics. Lyrics ma. Ayele lo shapulo de shema pa. Nesanda ne tumsepam. That can nisal. Hal nisal tumatale. Katunya that strength. I mean, it is not easy to accept your fault. Hal nisal ne mama. Dinchaka shitwana tinye shitwana manyala. on zasin no otumtali I mean ni sel nan pam bien kar kunyala dan unku walga bakati ni sel sele o mi so bien ka gaba te kana hal usupuni o sa te kam otumtali ba it is very difficult the two pam ni sel sele ma no ya no sorry ka ni tale tum se pam ni sel tum le nanga I mean, Kalengel Kaman, Sandani, the Kala Zasi. I mean, let's talk about that one in the general life. Then Kamal Nasan Yelbiakuzaha, just hitting on that song.
Yes, mommy, like, so come that's a minute come among
sure.
So, Rito Yel Sergei, been to the Yel Kamata, Barokonanka, Eco Fility to one. Don't go be a shambelama. So, took one to come and say this particular song, be this particular line. The yellow message shall Afanam Yara, Pastor Yara, Mone Tenda Namne So, took one a dogma anytime from that commander.
Yeah, sure.
Promoting love
very
and
well.
peace.
Very well.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now let's go into the song. I mean, video man, ngule director, ngule ma video man. Director Anas. Ma purdu ma. Nzo ma ba poti no disturb yo. Yene dwa yele mi so sunga o. I camera ya ngwa bom. Ma yeri no ma kujia ma na abona disturb yara ma yo. Let's go into the location. I mean, it doesn't look like anywhere around Tamalongo be ngwana.
Yeah. Mami, dokunanka ndafun yele earlier on ma kama friends and families no go support her man.
Okay.
But I generated the baby. More times Bishop Ben Bujila echa. Bishop Ben, unko mele zone makambu hundi yila but they are supporting.
Okay.
Bimungo gampa na ben.
Wow.
Bidan temala ma ambetara nwelezo.
Okay.
I think la feda.
Yeah, sure.
Simpson nende benyan sha din tala ko want to feel hal terma ben sha. Ko dani am perla ka amar konko so na ko tema ben sha.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
okay.
banana na benyan sha ma so tala ka terma.
Yeah, sure.
So more times me but they were one at the number shaka when and so on told around
or you sell them free.
You understand? So that was the reason why I choose a location.
Okay.
Big shout to Mr. Gambo.
I any Yapulu location one. Techima.
Yeah.
So we are used to like young camera main crew masa. You went to Techima.
I think somewhere around 5 there about as well.
What? Wow, that's very great. What to ira cruise rai mama? Ira new air condition.
Yeah.
Ira new air condition.
No, man, na jinna mi kan chelu air condition.
So what the fresh? It seems they lay war was about. O do chiller me kalori chiller.
To be sata enyo besha. Na SS 2017 pam na now.
Lao. Wheezy, I'm your battery show. I own my 8 3
let me say the truth because I'm a boy. They expect them to account so come.
No, so passion na kujara adena. So sometimes to is back have shake pam.
Mama me ever seen you know.
No, the tarwe. Yeah, you need to look good, you know. Yes, let's go into the video, mama. We are still in net, ma. So it seems to look like there's a concept. There's a little bit of explanation in the visuals.
And a critical way of doing these dramatical things.
Okay.
In simplest way.
Okay.
Simple but critical, but
okay.
Important that to be risky.
Kapjala.
Because after the video man, gashi naka elders we can't even die. Then the time shopuluma like the in the lumina. Be the kuna mistake luna. Brevela nyama. The people walao do. In their own traditional way. The rapper don't say go fly the drone and jump to Jubilee. So can drill. That palace shrine way, you understand? Not knowing it's a historic place.
Okay.
You know, to me mindset that rocks man of general.
Yeah. I mean the environment was beautiful.
You understand? And all Shopok and Daniel Green.
Yeah.
So we still I'm Bill Cole from Legend Boy team man.
Yeah.
We all talk about love and peace.
Wow.
So you know vegetation may represent those things.
Yeah, sure.
So Uncle man rock man.
Okay.
Love man green.
Wow. Yes. Wow. Vegas, man. And yes, you can send to Kapuka Anas, director Anas. I mean, the visuals, man, it is so great. Visuals, man, very classic. Yes, all right, let's go into songs, I mean, apart from Ntalungoma, which one is dropping next?
And I don't want to drop a shell.
Okay, Anna Jana reveal. Can I to yell the track list, man? Names, man. The main
intro man, God Mood.
Okay, God Mood.
Second track 2
Oluwani.
Track
Okay.
3 then I don't get release.
Very well.
Track 4
Maria. Okay.
Track 5
Yes, the Maria is the talk of the Asian Davam.
And then track 6 is Mala.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then let's talk about I'm featuring in Vonshab album.
Zafi feature what's his name? Rizzy Boy.
Rizzy Boy. Okay. Okay.
Amazing.
KD money Yendi guy
Rizzy Boy from Wa.
Okay.
KD from Yendi and Amazing Number from Willense.
Wow. Okay. Okay. That's another twist in the album.
Yes.
One song puni.
Yes.
Rizzy Boy wa ko be puni. And then KD Yendi ko be puni. Then ka garna non ente for Amazing Number. Wow. Video ma kabasa habi video ma puni. Okay.
Nice.
All right. Kada title ni Zafi. I mean, that's gonna be a crazy panga. Zafi.
And
Okay.
then Mala too.
Okay.
Mala too, I put great stars like Blaze
Bless D. Okay.
Razi, Rough Guy.
Okay.
Don Rhymer.
Okay.
And Oh Boy.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Look at title niya la.
Mala.
Mala.
Yes.
Okay. It is another hip hop song.
No. It's a danceable tune.
Okay.
You know, just to ginger yourself.
All right. Okay. Let me get the titles again, ma. Ntali, na Maria, na Zafi, Oluwani, na God Mood, mbala ma intro ma mbala kana mala. Artist shabambiri punu ma una UMA kukubu ma. I mean, it's gonna be crazy. Okay. Chakana so anya hatokomo. There are 2 songs in the album. Han nang banchini in Daniel media engagement ma na nang ma Maria and Zafi mbala ma bu. Maria and Zafi. Yes. To me, Maria no drop it. I don't know whether we'll forget about Kum or we'll forget about because it's a love song. I mean, the instrumentation, the style, the lyric, everything in that song is there. I mean, it's there. Can I change a letter one? Zafi, man, so no more character too much. And my best in that song, man, yala, Munga MP.
Mommy. They all did well.
Very well. Think Charlie Sonky Jajili, yes, Iba released it.
Until I took one dropping next track, man.
Okay.
Okay. Them take a mileage of 2-3 weeks.
Okay. Okay, very well. Full album, EP Masan had in drop it. All right, are we looking towards to a show concert?
No.
Show
feeling free.
Can I enjoy the Yelena Moma? Okay, all right. Okay, let's go into your social media handles. I mean, Wishal on Facebook, boo.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Wishal on Facebook.
Okay.
Wishal ma like WIZ space.
Okay.
Child.
Okay.
I'm put Facebook. Moko verify so one can.
Wishal ma ya. Ka Facebook label me ya.
Instagram me Wishal official.
Okay.
Twitter me Wishal Ahmed.
Okay.
I think the Legend Boy 127 Snapchat.
Okay, all right. Let's look at musical platform. Shanga, didn't ka hal untaling mama they be YouTube, right?
Yeah. They kind of earlier on, ma they distribute me. So
okay. Yeah.
Okay. Without them,
okay. All right. Very well. And quite apart from that, my album mama you can get it on any musical platform. Yes. I mean, it's gonna be audio man be audio mark. I mean, you can get it.
Even Shazam.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's very great. The Changvenya Langa Pa. Yahacha can take a carbon with Shal Pohan Yuru Tama, and he's dropping an EP of an album. Title of EP Manuel Tamale We Day. First track on that album man drop here at the title in Ntali. Yes, hiya. That particular bangama. It is banging everywhere now with classic video coming from director Anna Sembalama, engineer Munyalama, PJ. Better than Fiablanzoma. Yo. 6 good tracks in Bedi Punia, 1 Manuela Ntali, then Katoko drop it. Kanachi Maria, Kanachi Zafi, no Oluwani, no God Mood and Balama into to that EP man, Kanachi Mala, featuring great rappers and great singers. Yes, and there's a secret of you picking those that people were thinking that maybe Alabama and Chanta pick come on E-rated artists, be already made artists. But I'm picking Shama, the Mala come on bang bana be young actor and so underground. But Nakame spotlight maso casa on the Pune. What about that one? You didn't get bigger names in the album. You got people that you think you can help.
Yeah, like I didn't actually help them. They also helped me though.
Okay.
But like I'm practically like in feel level flow.
Okay.
So as soon as I will chant it.
No, okay, go.
So in feel level flow, man. And that one nero pambe eat man so.
Yeah.
Yeah,
sure. Because it's an EP.
Because being hard to so
sure.
Feature.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So then that feature this people.
Yes. Okay. Yes. But Yarma Kartab the I can't wait that Kazafi mean Malama Karatropi because boys ma hal ben magba if you listen to most of them now so I am bolba underground but and tabler me because the bars I mean lyrics shabon fluid then my punch shabon fluid especially Zafi ma what is ware now so big one Mali Yarama to senior underground artist ka do claim ra yin nang la 10 years industry ma fu no ka ku do e ku doni hal studio chen nya la problem ka claimera ne nye senior to the katale te pa ya pum ka pu hasidia. All right, you to actually be able to check pickle before katana run out ya Wheezy. This just by the way, and it came Karmal Bukata net the Tokoshele Bielfu. I mean, you used to have a bodyguard, be bouncer, be manager, Danyuma, Nail Gula allegation. You to ara yina pam, then consider you to ama. If we keep it on the cool, then I tell on the laba audio voice that yina. Karmal and you share audio voice mapam. Then we soon post a picture. Ka o view le kay no be delete number no kula no wula. So just a quick one. Fans ma but we to apam. What really happened between Aminu? Is happening. What happened?
Mami, we allegation good like the name of last go maybe want to check the base because to call like family get ma.
Okay.
Because me up go go me.
Sure.
So uncle to somebody it doesn't make sense to me. Because let's say so in your family member, you don't have to, change that person's image.
Yeah.
You understand? Because one eye to actually and check so down spray to
okay.
So look down, you understand?
Yeah.
So
no matter how.
This is the reason why I don't like talking about it because young
okay.
So I don't see it to be on media. That's not their concern. Their concern is about me dropping a hit song.
Okay.
That's it. So that's the reason why I don't talk about it on my but personally, maybe the Tony can go and none the other way shout. My mommy come personal lifestyle come.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why I'm always showing. But if he continues that and think it is good for him, he should continue. But if it is not good for him, then
so okay, all right. That's just by the way. Didn't check so many of the fans, and some of them were beginning to feel like we shall be we shall be you have not been able.
People keep on saying that
because you've not been able to explain to them like he's explaining.
There's no day out. So come down no handle limit.
Yeah.
So there's no day can media. It doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
okay.
The difference between wrong and right.
Yeah.
So there's no way it could no more when I shall forgive me. Come move around.
Yeah. Okay, all right, okay. We got it clear. And I'm very sure that didn't casually you gonna I mean you worked in some make a problem, Shelly. All right, okay. Then Chanaka go on TV to me we shall for you to drop la tamale with the EP first song ma then you entirely mpunyela ye particular EP album ma traction and be puni one man yala entirely the Maria the Safi no Oluwa ni God mood intro mambala and Mala, just wait and get your songs. Okay, then you shambala maya Wheezy, but I'm going to to qualify to some
Hajimari Mr. Gambo.
Okay.
When you went there, song from
sure.
And Tima that's an Musa Ito, DJ Tiger, Empire from Chief Abika, Afar King, there are many, bro. Sign the that's in your France Shabang, but that type song, you understand? Empire from Kuboya character. Every time I was about to sound to you, and Kuboya. You're not going to drop real bankers. Back to back. All
right. NTV. Yes, you're truly your number one star, Mohammed Hafiz. Yeah, as always, Abigail MFR, one and each out of the cameras. We're most grateful. Thank you so much. Ahmed Yala won't be MC Arma Katapuka Papa. Okay, Shahid inside MC Arakram Balama and Tapa Joe, the general manager, Mr. Enoch. I mean, all the guys doing the supporting. We're most grateful. After Kojo Boatin is the CEO, AKB Multimedia. Thank you so much. Marhaba. You marhaba. Nanda days are not going to Nutri Chasuka Nuzapura, Yamani, the Sherkau, Yazar, you can start to Kulan Panga, Mohammed Hafiz, the trender, Wheezy,